How to monitor website traffic on Hostinger dashboard. Welcome to this tutorial on how to monitor your website traffic using the Hostinger dashboard. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to track your website's performance and understand how to make data-driven decisions to improve your online presence. To start, log in to your Hostinger dashboard and navigate to the Statistics or Analytics section, depending on your account type. You'll see a dashboard that displays various metrics, including page views, unique visitors, bounce rate, and more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these metrics and understand what they mean for your website. To monitor website traffic in real time, you can use the Real-Time Traffic or Live Traffic feature. This will show you an overview of your website's current traffic, including the number of visitors, page views, and other key metrics. You can also use this feature to identify any sudden spikes or drops in traffic, which can help you respond quickly to changes in your online presence. To analyze your website's traffic patterns, you can use the Traffic Analysis or Traffic Insights feature. This will provide you with detailed reports on your website's traffic, including the source of your visitors, their behavior, and more. You can use this information to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize your website's performance. To take your website traffic monitoring to the next level, you can also use third-party analytics tools, such as Google Analytics, to get a more comprehensive view of your website's traffic and behavior. However, keep in mind that you'll need to set up these tools separately and integrate them with your Hostinger dashboard.